Remember, we are still on the codes area. These are the codes we generated, right? So if we on the codes area, we can highlight all the codes. We can go to export. We right click, go to export, go to export list. Okay, so I want to save that and see what will happen. So this is the folder I'm saving my documents. This is the Excel I just saved right now. So this one will give us the coding structure. We have these two numbers, number 1, 2 on the far left. Okay, if you click on number 2, number 1 is the themes, number 2 is the themes and the codes under them. Now let me expand this for you to see. So you can see financial issues, all the codes under it. Here are the issues, all the codes, and the files. Remember, the files are the number of files that you have. In this case, we have one focus group. References are the number of coding references. We can always come here and export some tables to use in our report. For example, let's say we want to represent a theme of financial issues. Okay, so I highlight financial issues, this theme of financial issues, I copy, and then I open a Word document and I can paste. We are going to have a very nice table here. Let me delete this column. So this is a table we can use in our report in NVivo. We can, for example, come in the table and right click again and insert rows above, and we can name this theme, then files, and then coding references. So that's the third way of visualizing in NVivo.